Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall, here to take you through today's market action. Moves in mega caps help cushion concerns over warm CPI data today. The Nasdaq and Dow each shed 0.1%, while the S&P 500 closed down 0.2, and the Russell lost more than 0.5%. Energy was the leading sector today, rallying 0.75%. Materials gained 0.2%. Real estate finished as the biggest laggard, down nearly 8%. Communications lost 0.6%. Turning to some stocks on the move. Shares of AMD fell 4% after unveiling its rival to Nvidia's Blackwell chip. AMD CEO Lisa Su said its next generation MI350 AI chips will be available in the second half of 2025. The company will also launch its new MI325X chip in Q1 of next year. Meantime, Morgan Stanley said Nvidia's Blackwell chips are, quote, booked out for 12 months. The firm says it hosted Nvidia executives, including CEO Jensen Huang, who revealed the news. Morgan Stanley kept its overweight rating and $150 price target on Nvidia. The AI giant gained 1.6% today. In its latest earnings report, Delta says it lost $380 million in revenue from July's Crowdstrike outage. Most costs went to refunding customers whose flights were canceled. But an upside to that, Delta spent $50 million less on fuel. The airline lowered its fourth quarter guidance, expecting waning travel around the election. However, Delta CEO expects trends to improve for the holidays, quote, positioning Delta well in the final quarter of the year and as it moves into 2025. Tomorrow, we'll have in-depth reaction to Tesla's robo-taxi event. You also want to watch for PPI and consumer sentiment data. On the earnings front, the big banks are in focus. JPMorgan Chase and Wells Fargo report before the opening bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.